Hello everyone. In today's video, we're talking about Wellwoman Capsules, a popular supplement designed especially for women's health and wellness. Whether you're dealing with tiredness, hormonal imbalance, or want to support your overall well-being, this video will give you all the information you need. Wellwoman is a multivitamin and mineral supplement created by Vitabiotics, a trusted health brand in the UK. It's tailored specifically for women of all ages to support energy levels, immunity, hormonal balance, and general vitality. It combines vitamins, minerals, botanical extracts, and nutrients to meet the unique needs of women's bodies. Key ingredients: vitamin B complex, B6, B12, B1, etc. helps reduce tiredness and fatigue. Iron, essential for red blood cell production and energy. Folic acid, important for women planning pregnancy and overall cell function. Evening primrose oil and starflower oil, supports hormonal health and skin. Vitamin D, maintains bone health and immune function. Antioxidants, vitamin C and E, selenium, zinc, protects cells from oxidative stress. Magnesium, helps with muscle function and managing PMS symptoms. Biotin, supports healthy hair and skin. Benefits of Wellwoman Capsule: boosts energy, great for women with busy lifestyles or fatigue. Supports immunity, with vitamin C, D, and zinc to keep your body strong. Hormonal balance, thanks to evening primrose and starflower oil. Good for skin, hair and nails. Contains biotin and other nutrients for beauty. Reproductive health support, especially helpful during menstrual cycles or for women planning to conceive. How to use: take one capsule daily, preferably with your main meal. Swallow with water. Do not chew. Don't exceed the recommended dose. Precautions: not recommended if you are pregnant or breastfeeding unless advised by a doctor. Keep out of reach of children. Always read the label before using. Not a substitute for a healthy diet. It's a supplement, not a medicine. Conclusion: Wellwoman Capsules are a convenient way to support your health from the inside out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wellness content.